In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Meet app on mobile device in 2025 with this simple Google Meet app install guide. If you want to use Google Meet for video calls, online classes, team meetings, or quick chats, the first thing you need to do is install the app on your mobile device. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it on an Android phone or tablet step by step, so it's easy to follow. To begin, unlock your device and open the Google Play Store. This is where Android apps are downloaded and installed. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Google Meet. As you search, you'll see a list of results appear. From the search results, tap on Google Meet. It's important to make sure you're choosing the official app, so take a quick moment to confirm that the publisher is Google LLC. This helps you avoid downloading the wrong app and ensures you're installing the real Google Meet application. After you open the app page, tap the install button. Your device will begin downloading the app and then install it automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just wait until the process is complete. Once the installation finishes, tap open directly from the Play Store. You can also find the Google Meet icon later on your home screen or inside your app drawer if you want to open it from there instead. When the app launches, you may be asked to sign into your Google account. If that happens, go ahead and sign in. If your Android device is already connected to a Google account, Google Meet may sign you in automatically, which makes the setup process even faster. After that, you're ready to start using Google Meet. From inside the app, you can create a new meeting, join a meeting using a link or code, or check any scheduled meetings connected to your account. If this is your first time using the app, take a moment to look around the main screen so you can get familiar with where everything is located. And that's it. Google Meet is now installed on your mobile device and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, you can come back to it anytime you need a quick refresher on the setup process.